Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Google Play Store app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Google Play Store app, or just click on search. Then here add Google, or just add here Play Store app. You add here Play Store, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then here it's going to work with you here like you see on your Play Store app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.